Welcome to know about ClickFunnels. Why choose ClickFunnels for blogging? Somehow, you can create any blogs for free using WordPress or Blogspot, but it does not look so professional anyway. So, if you want to build a professional blog for funnel bait, the ClickFunnels blog must be the best choice. One of the benefits for choosing the ClickFunnels blog is that you can easily monitor your blog stats on the dedicated dashboard. Moreover, it is also very easy to edit your blog, whether you want to crease easy buttons, set up pop-ups, and much more. With ClickFunnels blog, you can just create such a simple blog for advertisement in order to attract visitors, so they can read the blog posts and conduct a certain action. You can also ask them to enter their email address to subscribe to your business. Not only that, but blogging with ClickFunnels may also establish expertise, or just make your product and service become so popular. Want more exciting updates? Please click the link below for more updates. How to sign up for ClickFunnels blog. ClickFunnels blogging registration is very simple. Somehow, you only have to sign up for ClickFunnels to be able to enjoy the blogging feature. If you sign up for ClickFunnels, you also have a chance to enjoy 14-day trial. You can choose one of the two plans provided. The startup plan costs about $97 per month, while the enterprise plan costs about $297 per month. During the free trial, you can cancel the purchase at any time and you will get your money back. Though it is just a free trial, you can enjoy the provided premium features based on the plan you choose, including the ClickFunnels blogging. Do you really want to build sales funnels and create blogs? So, you can just sign up for ClickFunnels or just simply click this link. Thanks for watching this video.